Well, hey, I'm glad you're back. This is our third example. And on this one, we're going to look at two properties. One of them is smaller than the other one, but I'm going to use it in our equation that we're going to look at here in just a second. So we've already looked at the power property and we've looked at the quotient property, and we learned that both of those properties of logarithms are based on what we know about exponent rules. So this property is called, believe it or not, the log of an exponent rule. How about that? Smiley face. So here is the property, and it says log base b of b to the y equals, guess what? Any clue? Y. What? All right. Log base b of b to the y equals y. Notice something. This is something we haven't seen. The base and the argument are the same number. Okay, so that's important. Whatever value it is, note. Okay, for this to be true, because b and b are the same, for this to be true, what? The base and the exponent must be the same for this to be true. Not can be, must be. For this to be true, right? Now, why? Why does this work? Well, because we can use the definition of a log that says the base raised to the log value equals the argument. That's how we rearrange. The base raised to the log value equals the argument. So the base, okay, base raised to the log value equals the argument. And now we look at it and we go, well, yeah, heck yeah, we know this, but this seems a little mysterious. It's the not magic. It's the meaning in the rewriting that we get from the beauty of inverse functions. This is the reason why this log of an exponent rule is true. But again, when does it work? Only when the bases are the same, because these bases, of course, end up being these bases right here, right? That is the log of an exponent rule. And this one's pretty short because we're going to use this rule or property in other examples. All right, log base b of b to the y equals y. Why? Why? Because when we rewrite it, b, the base raised to the log value, this guy goes right here, equals what? The argument. All right. So, super. Let's use this in another problem.